Is your kitchen knife too dull to slice a tomato? Let's check out this 3-segment ceramic knife sharpener, a simple handheld tool that restores edges in seconds. With 3 stages, coarse for reshaping, medium for sharpening, and fine ceramic for polishing, it works on stainless steel, carbon steel, and ceramic knives. Just pull your knife through each slot a few times. It's compact, easy to use, and doesn't require skill or electricity. Perfect for home cooks who want sharp, safe blades without the hassle. Keep it in a drawer or hang it on a hook. Available in black or red, it's an affordable upgrade that extends the life of your knives and makes prep faster and safer. Ready to slice with ease again? Check the link in the description below to pick your color and buy this sharpener now. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp.